Si A.R. de la Serna ang assistant ni Attorney Harry Roque.
Stay po ako doon, Your Honor. Pero kung iba pong nag-stay doon, I cannot confirm po.
But at least you can confirm, wala ka ng ibang kilala na hindi empleyado na pinatira doon sa Lucky South. Tama?
Yes po, Your Honor.
What is so special about you? Bakit ka pinatira doon ng Lucky South?
Pugi siya, Mr. Chair.
Previous employer po, Attorney Roque po, Your Honor.
And who is Attorney Roque to Cassandra Ong?
He handles the ejection case of Whirlwind Corporation po.
He handles the case for ejection.
Yes po.
Ejectment. Ay silang mga lawyers eh. Pero bakit walang ibang pinatitira doon na mga empleyado? Why only you?
Nakatira po ako doon, Your Honor, because I need a place to stay because I am a student pilot in Pampanga.
I know, but there are a lot of people who needs a place to stay as well, for free, the same as you. Anong dahilan at pinatira ka doon ni Cassandra Ong? What is extraordinary about you? Hindi siya
Sinabi ng pugi siya, Mr. Chair.
Ang nangangailangan ng libreng tirahan. Do you understand that, Mr. De La Serna?
Yes. I cannot answer that, Your Honor, kasi I am not the decision maker naman po, Your Honor.
But